Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I want to show you a project called BodyAI. And as of right now it's on pre-sale on Presale Finance. And why could it be interesting? Let me just show you guys. It's on pre-sale for 1 day and 3 more hours, and they were looking to raise 50 BNB, and as of right now they have raised 119 BNB. To be honest, is there anything special about this project? Anything that I've never seen before? No, to be honest, no. So what's the idea about this? Actually just you could get in on pre-sale right now and then sell it when you have a profit. That's the idea. But as always guys, no financial advice. Let me show you. As always, we are looking for, has the contract been audited? Check mark here. Yes, they passed the audit. One member made a KYC verification, also check mark. Okay, let me show you the homepage. What is it? Basically it's a fitness tracker. As I've said before, nothing really special or new. You have a personal profile, a progress bar, fitness tracker, nutrition tracker, sleep tracker, water tracker, and so on. Nothing special, but you could maybe, because they are already raised more than they were looking for, you can see that there is some interest in this project. Okay, the white paper, it says BodyAI is an innovative health and fitness app. As I've said before, there's, in my opinion, nothing innovative. There are so many fitness trackers out there, so the idea could just be to invest in it, and don't invest any amount that you're not willing to lose, guys, or so, or you could also make a loss, guys. Okay, no financial advice is always, but yes, if you could get in at an early stage and sell it with a profit, yeah, it's never wrong to be interested in fitness, guys. So yes, okay, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.